Hi everyone, welcome to Gulfstream Livestream TV, and I'm here today with Suzanne and the state-of-the-art Super Relax Watch chair, and also we're gonna talk about our different systems are here, and Suzanne's going to help me to introduce and explain to you about the functions of the different systems that we have. So hi Suzanne, thank you for coming again.
Thank you.
So can you just please help me to explain all this?
Yes, no problem. So as TyTy said, this is our Super Relax Pedicure Spa and Chair. Now what's great about this one is that the pedicure bowl does move in and out, so it's easy accessibility for the client, and it's easier for the technician when they're doing their feet and everything like that. Now what's best about this system is that it actually can have both systems. It can have the IDJet system, which is on most of our pedicure spas, and it also can have the portable WaterDance system. And if you actually want, you can have both at the same time. So I will go through one system at a time, and then I'll show you what both systems look like. So first of all, with the IDJet, which is our normal jet system, this is it here, with the new cap that we've brought along, so it doesn't have any discoloration or anything like that. So this is the IDJet, magnetic, clips on easily like that.
And it's already set in here in our bowl.
In the bowl. So you can use a liner with this also. So you put the liner in there, then you put the cap on top, and then you can set it away. So if you can turn it on, that would be great.
I'm gonna turn it on.
There you go.
There we go.
So there's the IDJet system actually in this unit. Now with the IDJet system, once you've done your pedicure, you have to take the cap, clean it after every pedicure, put it back together, and then boom, you're good to go. If you didn't want to do the IDJet system, you can do our portable WaterDance system.
So I'll turn this off and turn on the WaterDance system.
Now the WaterDance system, you have to use our Gulfstream airpad. So first of all, you actually put the liner in the bowl. You take off the backing on the airpad, which is sticky, which is then placed inside the bowl, stuck on there, and then the actual attachment goes to the footrest, because that is where the air comes down and actually gives you the bubbles. So if you want to go ahead and turn on that system. And look at the bubbles on there, that's great. Now what's great about this is that there's actually a heater installed in this system. So no matter what temperature you put the water at, it keeps it at the same temperature the whole time. Doesn't matter how long your pedicure lasts, that's exactly what it does. You can also have an ozonator added to it, so it can take out the smells in the actual bowl itself. Any ions, toxins, they can take that away as well. And then if somebody wants to have double the power of an IDJet and the WaterJet, you can have both.
So I'm going to turn the IDJet on.
So you're going to turn the other one on.
There.
And there we go. So you've got double the power on there, and your client will be very happy with that.
How cool is that?
It's very cool.
Yeah, it's very cool.
And then again, once it's finished, you take everything off and throw it away with the WaterDance system. But obviously if you've got both, you still have to clean out the IDJet cap.
Well, this is great, Suzanne. I'm really curious. Can I just sit on the chair and
try on? You can try it, yes, no problem. Now these arms move back as well, so we can move these arms back. So, can you move that one just moves back? Yeah, pull it.
Oh,
there you go. And then you can sit in.
So. Yep, it's great. It's like the double power, so I can feel the bubbles coming out, the massage coming out from behind, and then surrounded with the WaterDance system.
Yes, and then you've got this spot if you need a drink, either left or right. And then obviously you've got the remote control to do whatever you like. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
This is great, yeah. You actually turned it on for me.
I
as
turned
well.
it on so you can have it. And this actually comes in 2 colors. You can have it in this charcoal grey color, or you can have it in a burgundy color. But if you wanted something different, you wanted a different color, we can custom make that for you. So whatever you want, Gulfstream can help you out.
Well, this is great. Thank you so much, Suzanne, for coming here today and for explaining everyone with all these features. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching our video today. So please give this video a big thumbs up. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you within the next episode. Thank you.
Bye now.
Thank you.